Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn about AWS Private Link. So why do we use this service and when do we use this service? So whenever we are required a connection, that is a private connection between two on-premise data centers. So whenever we are requiring a private connection between two on-premise data centers, then we prefer this AWS Private Link. So whenever, how do you provide connection between two on-premise data centers by using this private link, sir? So by using this private link, you can configure two options, that is service provider and service consumer. Let's say this is my service provider where it has servers and the servers is having some data. I want to move this data to here. So how do we do this? First, we need to connect it, right? Yeah. So we are requiring a private connection. I'm expecting private connection. That to virtual private connection I'm expecting. So for that virtual private connection, I opened my AWS Private Link service and I just configuring that my AWS Private Link. So there we need to configure only two things: service provider, service consumer. Here you can see this is my service provider. Why? Because this organization will provide me services. What service we are asking from it? We're accessing the data stored under the servers, right? Yeah. So that is the service we are accessing from it. So what is the service consumer? This on-premise data center. So what this on-premise data center is doing? It is consuming or it is accepting the service or it is requesting the service from the service provider. So we call this data center as service consumer. So only the two things will be there: service provider and service consumer. So while creating this AWS Private Link, you need to provide these two things. Let's say you provided these two things as well. Then how the connection is established? It provides the endpoints. What it provides? It provides the endpoints. By using those endpoints, you can establish VPN connection between your on-premise data centers and you can able to transfer your data, service data from one on-premise data center to another. That is from service provider data center to service consumer data center. So by using this AWS Private Link, you can able to provide connection. Which type of connection? VPN connection between two consumer on-premise data centers. So I hope you understood when do you use this AWS Private Link and what does this contain, and after creating what does it provides and what does it creates. So all the things I hope you understood in this video. So if you analyze VPN connectivity, we provided this VPN connectivity in two times, that is in site to site connection. Also we have used this VPN connection for connecting our on-premise data center to AWS cloud. So you can see by using the VPN tunnel we provided a virtual connection from my on-premise to AWS cloud. In the similar way, if you are expecting the connection, virtual private connection between two on-premise data centers for any data transfer, like those events, then you can prefer this AWS Private Link and create the endpoints and provide the connection between them. Then it will create you AWS. It will create you virtual private network in between two of your data centers. So I hope you understood this. AWS Private Link, when do you use and how do you use? What does it create and what does it contains? So I hope this video is contentful. If you feel this video is contentful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye.